We use an snack bar to show a message at the bottom of the screen. It is commonly used when user has triggered an action, like a delete event when you want to undo. In this tutorial, we're gonna learn how to create a snack bar widget in Flutter. Hello everyone and welcome to Code HQ. Today we're gonna learn how to create a snack bar widget in Flutter. So inside our home screen we have two buttons, one that is displaying a simple snack bar and one that's showing an action snack bar. So let's first of all create a simple snack bar. For that purpose, let's create a stateless widget, inside which we return an elevated button. Inside the child property we have a text called simple snack bar. This is the text that we're gonna display here. And inside the onPressed, we're gonna first of all create a snack bar, inside which we have content. Content is the widget that is gonna display inside the snack bar. We usually put the text here. We also set the duration of 2 seconds, and as the background color I set it to purple. So now we're gonna display our snack bar using a scaffold messenger of context, and this is our snack bar that we have to use inside the shoe snack bar. So now hit save, and if we click on this, our snack bar is displayed. So we also have an action snack bar, and this is quite useful when you do an action and you wanna undo an action if the user is accidentally pressing the delete option. So for that, let's create a stateless widget, and again we create an elevated button and an action snack bar of text. Inside the onPressed, let's create a snack bar widget. Let's set the context to text, and as the background color, again we're gonna choose purple. So this snack bar also has an action, and it's of type snack bar action with a label of undo, text color of white, and inside the onPressed we're gonna say scaffold messenger of context that hide current snack bar. And as the last step, we're gonna show our snack bar. So now if we click on the save button and click on this, we see we have a snack bar that we're gonna display and undo. But you may have seen a problem here, that if we create a snack bar, for example, for 3 times, it is gonna wait 2 seconds for the previous snack bar to finish and then display the next snack bar. If you wanna fix this problem, you're gonna change your code a little bit, and that's this way. Add one more dot here and say hide current snack bar. So before showing our next snack bar, we have to hide our current snack bar and also show a snack bar. Hit save, and now if we click on this 3 times, every time that we click, it's gonna hide the previous snack bar and show our next snack bar.